So today we will be discussing about the introduction part and installation of Power BI, right? So yeah, Power BI means it's a business intelligence tool, okay, which is used to basically clean, convert the data set. Whatever data set you are having, you can clean it and you can modify it according to the requirement of your project. Okay, then using that particular modified data set, you can make some dashboards and reports. That for that, Power BI is used. Okay, and Power BI desktop is the application where we do this kind of visualization. And in order to modify those things, we use another tool that comes under Power BI tool. Okay, so see if you're having an Excel sheet. Okay, a simple Excel sheet which is having many rows and columns. Okay, by simply seeing that Excel sheet for 1 or 2 seconds, you won't be able to get insights out of it. But if you're having a dashboard like this, then easily you can identify that, yes, at this point of time, the value was highest, some particular value was highest. At this point of time, okay, there is a rise or there is a fall like that. You can understand with the help of pictures, right? And pictures create a great impression in our brain, right? We can easily identify and clearly understand things with the help of pictures. For that, we are using visualization, right? And Power BI is having some tools also. So the first one is Power Queries. It is basically used to modify the entire data set. Okay, you can clean your data set, you can add some extra columns. Those things can be done with the help of Power Query. Okay, and Power Pivot, it basically refers to data modeling. Like we can combine 2-3 tables with each other if they are having some common columns, and later we can form a new table out of it, right? And Power BI is having more than 250 charts. Charts like bar chart, pie chart, funnel chart, different types of maps, lot of things are there. Okay, you can explore them one by one, right? And last thing is Power BI service. It is not included in our survey, in our syllabus, because it is a paid thing. Okay. It is basically used in industries where people used to share their dashboard by sending the link to that particular organization. For that, this service is used, and it costs around $10 per month. Okay, that is the case. Okay, so let us move on to the next part. That is facts regarding Power BI. Actually, it was designed by Ron George in 2010 and its name was Project Crescent. In 2011, it was made publicly available with a code name of Denali. And in 2013, it was renamed as Power BI for Office. And later in 2015, we got the Power BI that we are using today, although it's an upgraded version. Okay, so that is the thing. Up to this, it is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So now moving on to the importance of Power BI, right? This is the Google trend graph. So you can see that how many, what is the importance of this word Power BI? How many searches are there in Google? It's increasing year by year, right? There is some ups and downs, but although Google search is showing really good results in case of Power BI. Okay, this is Google trend map. Okay, so now the next thing is what are the importance? Actually, 1200 DAX functions are there in Power BI. Many functions are there which you can use to modify your table. Okay, and 280 visuals are there. It is less expensive compared to any other BI tools. Okay, guys, you are from 17th batch, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is very less expensive compared to other BI tools. Means see, Tableau desktop, that is a paid one. Its expense is around $70 per month, and expense of Power BI service is $10 per month. So you can see the huge. Tableau is 7 times more expensive compared to Power BI, right? So that is the thing. We can use free versions also for both of them. Okay.
Ma'am, one question in my mind, can I ask?
Yes, yes.
Best visualization tool in between Power BI and Tableau, which one we can say?
It's Power BI. Actually, I will tell you how. Okay, so it can let me complete first. Okay, that I'm going to discuss now. Okay, so it can accept 100 different data sources. Data sources in the sense like Excel, CSV, JSON, folders, PDF, web URL. Many things it can take as an input, and it can I mean extract data set out of it. Okay, so that is, I mean, I will show you in Power BI desktop itself that how many types of data sources it can accept. Okay. And next thing is Gartner company, that is related to your question, that which compares all the BI products. Okay. So yeah, this is that particular link. Okay. Which shows the magic quadrant of BI tools. So okay, so here yeah, it is the graph in 2017. Here you can see Tableau and Power BI. Microsoft means Power BI itself. They are competing with each other. Okay. And in 2018 also competition is there. Right. And later in 2021, you can see how much improvement Power BI have done compared to Tableau. Okay. There is always a fight between that which one is better. But Gartner company shows the reality that Power BI is the best. Okay. So this is one video. Let us visit this website. Yeah. You can see year by year what is the improvement. Slowly, Power BI is making its position at the top. In 2022, it is at the top, right? Now, once again, you can see the changes. Okay, so this shows that yes, Power BI is the best in business intelligence tool. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now let us move on to the installation part of Power BI. First of all, you have to type Power BI in Google search. Okay, then the first link will come like this. You have to click this link, right? Then this page will come, right? And you have to click on products. On clicking this particular drop down, you will get these many options. You have to choose Power BI desktop. Okay, because you are going to install that thing. Okay, Pro and Premium, they are paid one. Better you go with Power BI desktop itself. Okay, if you want to change the language, you can click this option and later you can change the language since English is comfortable for all of us. So better to choose English itself and then click on download. Okay. Then a new page will appear like this. Okay, there you have to choose which particular exe file, which particular file, setup file you require according to your system. If your system is a 64-bit system, then you go with this particular file. You have to mark this particular checkbox. Okay, and if your system is a 32-bit system, you mark this checkbox, right? After that, you have to see this is the thing, and you then you have to click on next. Since my system is 64-bit, I have chosen the first option only. Okay, so then click on next. After that, like this is the setup file. Okay, the setup file will come. Okay, and then you have to double click over it as we do installation for any other software the same way, right? Then this page will come. You have to click on next, right? Then next. Okay, after that you have to mark I accept terms in license agreement, whatever, right? Then you have to click on next. Okay, then they will ask for location, which location you want to save Power BI. Okay, so you have to click on next, and after that installation process will begin when you will click on install. Then file will get copied. Then you have to click on finish. Okay. So after every process is over, like this page will come. Okay. You have to close this first 2 pages. Then you will get this Power BI desktop that is behind it. Okay. And here, if transform data is not there, then that means it's an older version of Power BI. And if filter pane is not there, that means it's an older version. Okay, in that case, you have to upgrade your Power BI. For that, go to File. Okay, then choose Options and Settings. There you have to choose Options. Then you have to click on Preview Features. Then whatever checkboxes you want to mark, you can mark it. Okay, and after that, you have to click on OK. So like this, you can upgrade your Power BI. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so let us start with our Power BI. So this is our software. Okay. It will take a little bit time. Okay, just close this one. If you want to open any of the files from here, you can access it. Okay, since I don't want any, I will close this one. Now, what I have to do is that first of all, in order to do anything, we need a data set, right? So I'm going to take an Excel sheet, okay, so that I can make you understand that how to do first task, right? So click on Get Data, Excel Workbook. This option is there. Here also this option is there and here too. You can choose any of those options to upload a particular Excel file, okay? So there is downloads. Okay.